In this video, I'll show you how to sync TeamGate CRM with Google Calendar. This quick guide will ensure your meetings, appointments, and reminders are all in one place, making it easy to stay organized and efficient. Stick around until the end, because I'll not only walk you through the steps, but also reveal a better alternative for syncing your CRM with Google Calendar. Let's dive in with the first thing you need to know. To get started syncing TeamGate CRM with Google Calendar, you need to go to your TeamGate account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, it's free to start, and I'll link that below. Once you're logged in, head to the settings. You'll find the integration options under Calendar and AMP, Email. Click on Google Calendar, and you'll be prompted to log in to your Google account. This is essential for the syncing process, so make sure you're logged into the right account. Next thing, after logging in, you'll be asked to grant permissions for TeamGate to access your Google Calendar. This step is crucial because it allows TeamGate to sync your events and meetings with your Google Calendar, keeping everything organized. Just click Allow, and you're almost done. The third thing you need to know is how the sync works. TeamGate CRM doesn't just show your Google Calendar events, it actively syncs your scheduled meetings and tasks between both platforms. This means any meeting you schedule in TeamGate will appear in Google Calendar and vice versa. It's seamless. But here's the thing, while this integration works well for basic syncing, there are some limitations in terms of customization. You can't set up advanced filters or automate complex workflows without extra work or third-party tools. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, recurring events. If you need to sync recurring events like weekly meetings or client check-ins, TeamGate CRM can handle that, but there's a catch. You'll need to manually set up recurring events in both TeamGate and Google Calendar. While it's not the end of the world, it's an extra step, and in my opinion, this could be much more streamlined. Another thing to keep in mind, TeamGate CRM doesn't have native support for advanced calendar views. If you're looking for a bird's-eye view of your entire team schedule or need a more in-depth calendar experience, TeamGate's calendar can feel a little basic compared to other CRM options. But here's the important part. At the end of this video, I'll share a better alternative for syncing CRM with Google Calendar, one that offers a smoother, more customizable experience with less manual work involved. If you're serious about improving your workflow, you won't want to miss this. So, once the sync is set up, you'll start seeing your Google Calendar events pop up inside TeamGate CRM. You can click on the event to edit details, confirm meeting times, or adjust the meeting description. It's all fully integrated. This can save you a lot of time and effort since you won't need to bounce between platforms just to check your schedule. Now, the last thing to mention, while TeamGate CRM does a decent job syncing with Google Calendar, there are better alternatives out there that allow for more advanced calendar management and automation. These alternatives offer better flexibility, and you don't need to manually adjust recurring events or deal with limited view options. Now, I've got something special for you. If you're interested in using TeamGate CRM, I've arranged an exclusive extended free trial through the link below. Plus, I've also listed some amazing alternatives that offer even better syncing capabilities, and they also come with free trials. These alternatives are great if you're looking to automate and streamline your process, especially for CRM and calendar integration. So, check out the link for the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you can only get through our video. Whether you stick with TeamGate or try one of the recommended alternatives, make sure to pick the solution that best fits your needs. Happy syncing, and I'll see you in the next video.